Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Welcome to today's 5-Minute Friday, and we are planting up a sort of summery tropical container today. The tips in this video can be used to plant up any container from plug plants, but I always think it's nice to do a bit of research, have an idea of what colours you want to work together, just because you want the effect that you're looking for. There's loads and loads of stuff online, or you can obviously get in contact and we can give you some ideas. So I've filled this container with some multi-purpose compost, and I'm just going to top it up very, very slightly. I don't want to go all the way to the top. The reason being is if I was to fill this all the way up, then what would happen filling it up to the top, you water it and the water, at least 50% of the water seems to go off the outside, which is not the idea of watering. So a little bit shy from the top is perfect. So I am going to plant, we've got Lantana in here, which has these lovely orangey, well this particular variety is orange, and this fantastic red and green and sort of burnt orange Coleus. So this does flower, but we predominantly grow this for the foliage, and the orange next to the reds and the greens looks really, really good. So the Lantana is slightly taller, so we're going to go for that in the centre. And then we're going to plant the Coleus around the outside. So I'm going to plant 3 plugs of each. So I always plant in triangles. If you've never seen any of our videos before, that's pretty much how we plant almost everything. And then I'm going to drop the Lantana in. So you can see there's a nice root on there. We want to tuck that in, and we just place it in the hole that we've just created. So we've created like a triangle in the center, and that plant is just flowering, which is nice. And we just put those in the center. So you've got your middle plants there in the triangle. Simple as that, okay? And then that naturally leaves an even space for the rest of the plants to go in, so the Coleus. So there is a natural space for it, as is there, and at the top here, and you can see that's in a triangle as well. Planting in odd numbers tends to always look better, and triangles always looks good as well. Okay, so I do it exactly the same with the Coleus. I just tuck it in, not pushing it in, just tuck in the plug plant in. And something I should say, because we get asked all the time, this paper pot can stay on. That will just degrade naturally in the compost. Okay, it's just paper. And it's as simple as that. It might not look like much at the moment, but as this starts to grow, we've sort of done an even spread of foliage. The Lantana will come taller and get these lovely orange flowers on it, and they work really well next to the fantastic colours of the Coleus. So it's as simple as that. If you've got any questions at all, obviously get in contact. See you soon.